Hello guys, I welcome you all in my new project. This is Modular Spaceship uh, Pack 4 actually. So as you can see here, there are five versions, modular versions, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As you can see, this is from the front side, and this side is the back side actually. So this is a cylindrical spaceship, kind of like a cylinder, and it's a mixture of gold and kind of like a metal, gray metal. So gold is a very uh, precious component in the spaceship making. We know that. And you see the texture set, they are only 1 2 3 4 5, only 5. So as you can see, if we remove the ring part and the head part and engine hull, okay, and also the engines and also the body, okay, as you can see, the bodies are totally customable. So you can uh, you can customize your spaceship according to your preference, according to your choice. So you can customize this one. So you are looking from the substance painter actually. So look at the back side. Back side is like kind of like a 1 2 3 4 5. So each spaceship is actually holding five cylindrical engine, and it is covering up with the kind of like a cylinder also. So it's like this is the back part and this is the front part. So pretty simple, and this one is also good for RTS game and RTS setup, and also kind of like a sci-fi projects. If any sci-fi projects, then they can use this asset. So this is the first part actually, the completing. So I will become again with the Unity and then the Unreal part. So hope you are enjoying this one. So every part actually they are interconnected. So you can you can customize like a Lego set. So that is the functionality of the modular pack actually. So yeah, this is the first part completing, and I will come with the Unity, which is the second part. So thank you, keep watching and keep supporting me. Thank you very much. Hello guys, this is part 2 of the Spaceship 4 modular pack project. So as you can see here, this is from the Unity. So actually, I create a space atmosphere here, and as you can see, the um, the all the the spaceship, the five spaceship is here actually. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, and lastly is the 5. So 5 variations, as you can see from the bottom part, it's looking like this. Also from the front side, looking like this, and if you can go to the back, it's looking like this. Okay, as you can see, they are perfectly okay for marching into your project. So just like always, it has yeah, it's coming up with a FBX file, and then the materials actually. Yeah, these are the materials actually, by the way. Only 5 materials actually in this project, only 5 material set. And also these are the parts, and before that I'm going to show you the texture set. Yes, these are the texture set, by the way. These are the texture set actually, as you can see, and see the resolution is 4096. I mean that means it's 4K. And if you can see here, yeah, I have the prefab of the spaceship. As you can see here, I can drag and drop any spaceship like this, anyone like this, okay, like this. I can drag and drop there, and also I can customly build, like I have the yeah, I have the parts that I can, yeah, this one is the back part, this one is the head part, this one is the body part. So yes, oops, where is that? Okay, here is the head part. So if you wanna make something new, so you just make to, you know, bring up the body part and just align that, and you see the connection is there to there. So just V to snap, and you just snap. Okay, so like new connection is there, and one cylinder is ready. Okay, one spaceship chunk is ready, so something like that. So you just need to, you can connect, and you can, you know, you can customize your build no matter what to do. But you have the five variations like there. So this pack is completely ready. You can use it, and if you need to purchase it, just go to my asset store, or you can DM me. So no problem, don't hesitate to DM me. I will be happy to know that you are requiring my assets. So thank you. This is part 2 ending. I will become with Unreal Engine. So till then, keep watching and keep supporting me. Thank you very much. Bye. Hello guys, this is the third part and the last part of the modular spaceship project 4. So as you can see here, this is from the Unreal Engine 5.3. So as you can see, the same project like the Unity. So this is from the front side, and this is the body part, and this is from the back side, as you can see. So it's like from the back side, and in the content drawer you can find the assets like you know, the textures. So all the textures are 4K, as you can see here, the 4K resolution, and also the materials there. So yeah, the materials is there, and as you can see, the materials are perfectly processed, and also you can find the actual FBX there. So if I press a maximize view, you can see here from a very from a good angle of view, like this, and this is looking so okay. I think the emissive is looking good actually. So guys, if you need this asset, don't hesitate to contact with me, and I will be happy to know, as I told you before, that I will be happy to know that that every asset is using actually that is built by me. Actually, you can DM me, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I want to build a community. I want to build a design community. So please subscribe my channel. If you need anything, you can contact with me. I will be happy to help. So thank you. I will come again with a new project, and thank you. Till then, you just continue on my projects and continue on my YouTube channel, and you just stay with me connected. Thank you very much.